Okay, this is without post-processing because I don't think I have any post-processing set up on this setup. But I should have mic now at least. Here's hoping, maybe, possibly, who knows. Also, I have absolutely no idea at all how to say your name, but welcome. Oh, you're from Twitter, duh. Yeah, I still have no idea how to say your name though. Trey Asan family. Yeah, no, see, I'm just gonna switch to that. The rain is too loud. Okay, the rain is too loud. I will switch to that. How is that? Is that better? Shreyas. Oh. You know, that's so much easier than I was expecting. Okay, let's see if I can get my chat. Hey, there we go. I have a chat propped up. Okay, welcome to the disaster of what the fuck this tool is. We're not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna do the thing I want to do. This is the thing that I built that I'm working on. And yeah, we're not gonna talk about that for now. But it is what it is. Welcome, peoples. You wanna fuck around with this? Let me drop a link into the chat so you all can. Actually, I think I can just go to the LGBT. Let's see, is this gonna auto link? Yeah, it is. Okay, good. No, studio. Okay. This should be working. This is what I've been working on recently. Oh, auto sender should be enabled by default. That's probably what's doing it. But yeah, I've been working on this tool because I thought it'd be kind of nice just to have like, welcome, welcome. I thought it'd be nice to have something that we could use because I keep seeing these tools pop up and for some reason everybody's charging for them and I'm like, motherfuckers, why? Took me 2 days or 3 days to build this. Why are people charging for this? I mean, like, get your bag and all that, but like, goddamn, you know? Also, I have no idea if ads are rolling right now. Last time I streamed, I don't know how long ago that was. I need to get back in the habit of actually streaming. I've been rolling out shit like left, right, and center. I've been building shit left, right, and center, but I haven't actually been streaming anything. Is the audio quality good? Decent? Okay-ish? Here's hoping. At least the audio level should be good. It's good. Fuck me. Okay, well, I'll get the audio better later because I had a bit quiet maybe. Okay, that might also just be the audio. No. Yeah, that might be me either not being close enough to the mic or that might be that I need to sort the audio levels and shit. I had a perfectly good setup on my main PC, but now I'm streaming from my MacBook because my main PC sounds like a jet engine when it streams. And my Mac just sits there quiet the whole time. Okay. I've got the stream chat up on my main PC so I can at least look at it, and I've got it also up on my phone so I can see that. Hope everything's going fine. Also, why does my notification say there's nothing there? Please don't say I'm banned. No, okay. Twitter's just bugging out. Holy hell. You're about to sub? What are you on about? What are you on about? Also, I had a transparent mode before. Oh yeah, I did push this up. Okay, I have a MacBook for work. I have an M2 Pro, whatever the fuck this thing is. I have, yeah, M2 Pro 32 gig, right? And then I have a Windows PC for gaming. And then I have a bunch of just Linux boxes around the house. My main old Mac before this ran a Unraid with Arch Linux as the main host, like main virtual machine on it. So it's not as bad as you're thinking. And like every iPhone I own apart from my current one is jailbroken. So again, not as bad as you're thinking. And so the fact that I can just like build these tools now is so fucking cool. Actually, that's kind of nice. Diffuses it. Okay, what the fuck are we even doing? Oh yeah, you're about to also see the cursed way of how I build shit at the moment because I can't be fucked actually building stuff at the moment. I just want to get the shit off the ground. So we are gonna be using ChatGPT for a bunch of shit. And also, that's how I managed to learn Canvas so fucking quickly. ChatGPT for the win. Okay. Actually, some of this we probably don't even need ChatGPT for. Yeah, okay, you want to see this? Am I hosting shit on Railway? I host all my shit on Railway. uh, like what's my Railway bill? Wait for it. Fucking $88. Most of it's fucking egress as well. That's not bad. It's not bad. It's funny because this is still cheaper than like what I'd end up spending on just like random DigitalOcean boxes I'd forget about. Because the thing is, when I finish one of these projects, I can just rip it down. DigitalOcean. I'm scared to take down the VPS because I have no fucking idea what's on it. I'm like, yeah, this one. Oh, is this one important? Who fuck knows? They're always pretty cheap considering there are some pretty expensive things I have on here. Like this one uses zero point 0.2 of eCPU and it uses like a few bit. But like the reason this one's so expensive is just purely egress. You can stop and start containers as well, but like I don't. I just delete the project if I'm doing it anymore. This one's also funny because like this is 0.1 of a CPU. This is also 90 megs and it's just egress. Fucking egress. GCP. Just kicking my ass. The rest of these are pretty decent. Like, this one uses nothing. Although I need to work on the memory. Anyway, sidetracked. What are we doing? ChatGPT. Oh, hello. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Is that a Node app or something? No, it's not. Well, it is hot trash. It was a web framework I wrote in like a few days or something. Oh, for fuck's sake. You're not even an actual follower. You're just a dumb cunt. Where's the manage suspicious user? No. Where the fuck's the report his ass? Spam scam, thank you, ma'am. Bots. What do you mean tell us more? Okay, I'll just report your spam. Tell us more. Bot. There we go. Send report. Block this user. Done. Ban them. Is that everything we had to do? They're gone. I actually thought I got a fucking follower, but no, it's just some dumb cunt pretending to be a fucking How fucking dodgy is that? Dodgy motherfuckers. Swear to God. Okay, what was I talking about? Okay, my blog. Oh yeah, this is that post that people were looking for. How I gained so many freaking followers. Actually, what am I on now? Oh no, that's my band account. This account's sad. This account's dead. Account was good. This account was doing real well. Also, I'm kind of wondering if it was this that got me banned. You know? I posted something saying, "Are you gay?" And then I got banned like a day later. But for what it's worth, like I am gay and like I didn't mean it in any bad way. And they banned me and my account was 10 years old. Like, come on. I even had a fucking business badge. Like, you kidding me? I still have it on there. I wonder if Axiom's still being fucking charged for it. Fuck my actual life. Yeah, look how old this account is. Anyways. Anyways. Yeah, this blog here is built using Zeralta, I'm pretty sure. Where is Zeralta? Zeralta. This is a framework I wrote using Bun. It's pretty fast. Are you also a bot coming to spam, or are you some actual human being? Because if you're also another bot, I'm gonna be pretty sad because that's two out of two. Or I don't know, you've only got one follower. You don't have a bunch of random like spam posts on your account. Maybe you're not a bot. You, yes. No, not you. Not you, Trey. Of course you're not a bot. You've been here since the fucking start. Talk about Anurag. Anurag? Anurag. Oh, now I'm worrying too much about how I'm saying it. I'm saying it wrong. The new rando. A new friend, if you will. Yeah, I think the blog's written using Zeralta. Where is my blog? Repos. Let's see, blog. You know what? I'm Australian. I say everything wrong. I think it's just my accent. I don't think this is like an accent that speaks languages correctly. Oh yeah, this is definitely Zeralta because it's fucking Connect looking style shit. Even though there's React. Oh heavens. I don't know if you've seen this, but this is React on the back end, not on the front end. It's a very, very interesting mess of stuff, I guess. There's a lot of curse stuff that I write. And this is what I mean when people are just like, you shouldn't write curse shit. And it's like, yes, you should. There's just... Exactly. Wait, Trey, why are you saying wait a minute? Pretty sure everything I write is cursed at this point. This is why when... Okay, that's what I was going to say, and then I like got sidetracked. When people would just be like, oh, you can't do something a certain way, bitch, please. Do whatever the fuck you want. Everything's hacked together anyway. I'm pretty sure the posts of these are even fucking... Yeah, the posts are marked down. Where's the... Yeah, here's that latest post I posted. It's just marked down. That's funny because I'm pretty sure... Yeah, I'm using a H group. So I could put these in a group because I couldn't think of an element to use. Oh god, what are you going to get me to look up? What is this? Deserve, Dino.dev. This seems sketchy. This seems real sketchy. Why? What are you... Oh, you built it? Okay, that seems even more sketchy. If I get banned on Twitch, sayonaras. Oh, interesting. Okay, but this looks like you actually put effort into it. I just built mine because I was like, lols, wouldn't it be funny if I just made this? I'm pretty sure that's what fuels like most of my shit. I'm just like, it'd be pretty funny if I just made a thing, you know? And everything I make's MIT because I'm like, somebody else could just use this and make something else out of it. Fuck trying to charge people for it. Because then I have to provide support. I don't even want to support myself. Why would I want to support my stuff I make? That. If you use it and get into shit, that's your own fucking problem at that point. Okay, so this request, is this like standard implementation request, like the web request, what the fuck it's called, that Bun uses, that like Fetch uses, that everybody uses? Yes, yes. I can never remember what the hell that's called. You know, the one that like request response. I really like them. The fact that it's like standard everywhere. But with some extension, yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that's interesting. Very interesting, very interesting. Yeah, mine was pretty bland from that. It was more just like, and like even this, you don't need any of this because you just pass. It's got some curse shit for how it does JSX passing. Where is? Let's have a look at Zerelta for a sec. Sidetracked as fuck. Zerelta. You want to see how it handles? Where's JSX? Here we go. This is how it handles JSX. It checks if there's a function, and if there is, it renders as a JSX component. It doesn't even check if it's using the hate signature. It doesn't do shit. It's just like, a function. Yeah, it's probably JSX. What else could it be? uh, we should probably do like a code review of this because, I mean, it's commented at least, but oh my god, like, look, okay, this is the fetch handler, right? So, are we in Firefox or in Firefox? We can't even make that fucking title bug go away. But you see that, like, this is one of the most cursed things ever of how this handles everything. But we end up with a response body. We then mangle it. Okay, but we have this though. We have a stop function symbol that we pass around. I don't understand why that ended up being added. I don't know where my brain was going at the time, but we literally have a for infinite while loop that has a function that needs to be stopped. This is like what fucking Python does. We have to throw that certain thing to exit out of shit. And then we have another one. It's not bad enough we have one. We'll just add another. We give people a lot of shit like to try and make sure you attempt to do stuff right, and then if you fuck up in the end, we're just like, oh yeah, okay, whatever. And also love this, right? So like if you start your thing with HTML, we just add doc type to it. But for what it's worth, I've written some pretty good applications using Zerelta. I think I've done pretty well. Where's my GitHub? Oh, not add account, you dumb fuck. Why is there a button to add account? What am I looking for? Where's vote? That's written using Zerelta, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this uses Zerelta. Okay, this is way more cursed. Like, you thought that was cursed? Look how this serves HTMX. It's not how you're meant to do things. Have a look at our vote page. If you look at it, you're just like, why? Who did this? Why is there JSX? Why are there awaits? What is going on? And it just gets worse from there. It just gets so much worse from there. Because what the fuck is a vote service? And why are we waiting on things from it? it just kind of goes all over the joint. But for what it's worth, it does power this. And I think this is the really important bit because it works. And if we go to Axiom, it doesn't just work. It works almost too well. Look how many people use this thing. uh People are using this shit like on a daily basis. And I find it absolutely hilarious, the amount of people that use it. Also, the amount of people that come from Twitter. What else have I got in here? Oh, I need to work on this a bit more. This is like well broken, but this was the start of something that I started on. I wonder what happened here. Maybe I restarted or they had a crash or something. Yeah, they must have had an outage. Oh no, I took Epoch offline. Huh. Anyways, we are getting so sidetracked. Well, what was I even doing? Oh, that's right. I wanted to add text to this. Okay. What I'm thinking we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little checkbox. And then no, we don't want OBS Studio, we want code. Thank you. No, what did you just, you stupid fucking Mac? What did you do? It's not at all what I wanted you to do. Thank you. Okay. We're gonna need a thingy on the side here for the text, and we're gonna need to put some text on there. I think what I'm gonna do is trying to think. Let's just get a text added, and then we'll work out a like button for it. So to render the text, oh, thank you for the follow, my bubbles. To render the text, we're probably gonna render the text above the image, the highest layer. Yeah. And do we want to render it under the image, or do we want to render it at the, just on the screen? And then we can have a position slider, maybe? Okay, let's just try and render some text to start with. Oh, how I love Copilot. Okay. That should be... Yeah, and then we can just draw that to the canvas. Oh, that would explain why that's not working. And yes, you can use bun run for... Ew. Oh god, I feel sick. How have you mentioned Vim in my chat? We have it working already. Holy shit, that was easy. Oh, fucking hell. Well, that's it, guys. Stream over. Oh, fuck. That was almost too easy. Okay. Huh. Yeah, that's just gonna render it straight to the image. Oh, maybe want to bind it to it, but then off. I don't know if I want to bind the text to the image and then offset it at the bottom, right? So, um, its position set it as that. By 10 pic under the image. I don't know why that is flipped the text weirdly like that, but that is fucking hilarious. Um, Wait, why is font size being used? Wait, what's the last? What is the last override? Why don't you plus two overrides? What are the overrides? Just show them to me. Why do I have to go here? One, two, three, four, five. Two, three, four. Destination with destination height. That is not the destination height. Image, destination X and Y. Is that what we need, maybe? I do think that is kind of funny, though, that text at the bottom. Nope, that's just completely broken it. The destination height. Actually, we probably don't even need these. Oh, it's too far down now. Oh, not plus that, plus 10. Duh, 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 duh. Yeah. Is that right? I don't know why the draw call doesn't get updated. That's still too far down. What is the third? Just destination Y. Unless it's based on because it's the height of that. Or maybe I have to update this one here instead of putting the. No, because I'm pretty sure fill text, that's just the text size. Yeah, that's like the rendered text size, not where it's positioned. But also, why, when I update this, does the draw call? Okay. Okay, that's kind of funny. Well typed which? I would assume so. I would assume everybody is from Twitter. Because Twitter is amazing. Rip. also, I don't necessarily want it to be position X. I kind of just want it to be like text canvas width divided by 2. Oh, maybe I should do that too. Text canvas height divided by 2, or no, height plus 10. Where in the fuckery do you keep vanishing off to? Can I not put it down by the height of it? Oh, hey, welcome, welcome. Long time no see. I'm actually streaming for once. What do you know? Crazy, crazy thing. And this is just not working. Why is it so offset? Adrian, maybe you can help me. Bring me some sanity. Actually streaming, right? I don't know why, but this is just like it's not offsetting where it's meant to. That's drawing onto the main canvas, which is this whole ass thing. Its destination X and Y are meant to be. Oh, you know what? Is this meant to be maybe canvas? And am I just an absolute idiot? No, why is it still off to the side? Bruh. 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 Oh, hello, welcome. Welcome, welcome. See, at least we have some people in here that aren't bots. First follower today of the stream was a bot. I got so happy. I was so excited. No, it just turned out some person trying to promote some stupid ass site. But I digress. Also, this is why you do math in school. So that when you need to be able to do shit like this stuff doesn't make... It's not so complicated. For me, this is not so easy. My brain's just like, no. Why is it not work? Okay, so we have the canvas. We have the destination X, destination Y. Destination X and destination Y should be dead center of this, plus 10 pixels offset. I think. But then, like, bruh, how is that not centered? How is canvas height divided by 2, canvas width? Wait, it is X and Y, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, width divided by 2, height divided by 2. That should be dead center. Oh, hold on. Is it like canvas height plus text canvas height divided by 2? Is it like one of those ones? Oh, no. No, that's made it so much worse. Now it's just gone. Is it like text canvas? You know what? I might not be good at math, but I am good at brute forcing. And that's what really matters. If you just keep trying shit, eventually it should work. There we go. Oh, now I'm dying. Okay. We now have dead center text, and we can even move this around. Okay, that is kind of really cool that we have layers now. And it's very, very obvious that we have layers as well now, because you can see, like, flare intensity. If we turn the flare on. Oh, this is so cool. Maybe we should make, like, a knockoff of Photo P next. That would be kind of cool. I think that'd be pretty easy to do as well, because it's just this, but just keep adding things. Oh yeah, layers. Like, have a look at this. You've got the flare in the background, the image. Like, if I go to transparent, that thing in the background's the flare. And if I change that to like red, you can see it's on a different layer. This whole thing is done using layers. Also, are we having ads now? I have no idea when ads are playing. It just popped up saying that we're now like got 60 minutes of no ads or some bullshit. This is what I mean about I don't know how to do Twitch. I don't stream enough. That's kind of wing shit. It's how I do most of life. Well, no, I don't draw on the same canvas. So that's the thing. We have this thing in the draw called the rendering pipeline, which I built. And the way it works is the render pipeline takes a source and then renders different things to that source and then eventually pops out an output. So if we go into render pipeline, ignore this disgusting mess. But what this does is you can pass in, for example, a canvas that's an image, like this image, and then you can draw a border around it, or you can put a glow around it, or you can just do all these different things. So if I come in here, you can see we put on a background on the background layer. We then draw the different like things that we want, the flare, the patterns, and all that kind of stuff, and that becomes a background canvas. We then draw that onto our main canvas, and then we check if we've got an image. If we do, we then add the shadow, which is the thing that's like behind this. If we turn flare off. So see how there's like this white shadow size behind it? That there is drawn here. Oh, actually, you know what? Before we add the text, we should probably turn the shadow off because I just realized it's also making glow on the text. Where's shadow? These probably need to be reset. Reset shadow. No, not the rubbish bin. Okay, that's better. We don't have shadow on the screenshot text anymore. And no, they're not all the same context. So that's the thing, like each canvas has its own context, and everything you pass through render pipeline gets its own canvas. We create one straight off the bat. Even if you're just giving us an image, you get a new canvas. It's cheap enough. Right now, we're actually creating 120 canvases a second and just throwing them away. Yeah. You got one canvas on the back and another canvas on top and another canvas on top, and you just keep adding canvases on top of each other. Apparently, it's really cheap. And I'm adding something in soon where I'm going to, when you go through the render pipeline, if we find that the source you gave us and then the props you gave us aren't changing, we can memorize them and then just return the last canvas we had that had those exact changes on them. Obviously, if at any point in the chain, if something changes, from then on, we would have to like recreate it, but it should mean that we could do kind of like Docker's layering system. Also, why don't you like the fact that we're layering canvases? That's so great. It's so much easier than there was all these other options where people like you could change the way that the canvas is drawn, if it's drawn behind, in front, and all this other stuff. And I'm like, why not just make multiple canvases and then just draw them all back onto each other? And I googled it, and it turns out, yeah, you can do exactly that. I'm like, oh, okay, well, just do that then. Seemed easy enough. Because like even this, trying to get it so then, okay, so see how there's border radius on this? There's rounded corners. To get rounded corners on both this like border, this white border around it. So let's turn the shadow off. Where is the frame? So this frame that I have around it, to get this to actually work, and then also have a rounded border like the image and have it all spaced out correctly, we had to use multiple canvases. Otherwise, it's just an absolute pain to try and get it all to work properly. So the way this works is this canvas here starts off with a blank canvas that has a background of white or black, and then we paint an image to it inset a little bit. Not a skill issue. It's skill issue on people that don't know how to build a tool like this in like 3 days. I built this because I was just like, screw doing it the way that everybody's saying. I'm just going to use layers like I want. And now we have this. Happy days. You know what? Let's go move the text and let's make it so you can change what the text says. So at the moment it just says Screenshot. Let's move this. So text to render. This probably just needs to be moved into the draw call. And then you need to be called. Oh, you're even out of that. And then this here will be. Oh, you leaving? Bye. Sayonara. Okay. Well, good. Good. Text to render. I should stream more. Everybody keeps telling me that. Every time I stream, everybody's like, oh, so you should stream more. And then I'm like, yeah. And then just don't stream for like 3 months. I was on a good streak. I was streaming, I think, like every day or something like that for like, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks. It's when I first got affiliate. I did really well. And then I just crashed and burned. I think half my issue was I didn't have anybody regular that came back. It was always new people, which was nice, I guess, but it never felt like I had just stream buddies that would like turn up and just chill, which I kind of feel like I need. Um, let's see, did this update? Okay, so we can now render out to the draw call. Let's make this. If you keep coming back, then I'll probably stream more. I just need somebody. It doesn't really matter who it is. Like, not to say like you're not important or anything, but like I just need somebody to keep me like doing it. You know. There's so many places this needs to end up. Oh yeah, we have to also add it as like an actual prop. And yes, this is absolutely messy as all fuck everywhere. Ignore it, please, for the love of God. Actually, yeah, no, I'll actually really like to stream tomorrow because I have a few other ideas of what to do. Where are we putting this? We'll put this. Put it just before the image slides. Text to render input. It'll probably be a hell of a lot earlier, honestly. Like it's almost midnight for me now, and I'm hoping if I do it well, I might just like start early in the morning and just like stream all day and just see what happens. Just make it a very casual stream. Const show text render button. Actually, no, we'll just leave that. We'll just make it so if somebody puts no text in it, we'll just clear it. Bye-bye. See you on the Twitters. Where do you want this? Image size slider. Text. Global text. What are we missing? What are we missing? What are we missing? What are we missing? Why does that look hella broken? Oh, there's nothing. Okay, that's kind of funny. You should be a row, and you need literally just like any styling on you. Seriously? Basic styling, CSS, input. What the fuck's the thing for? Oh, come on. What are the basic ones for an input? Because that should work, no? Do inputs not have border for support? Seriously, you have to add. They just don't work out. What the fuck? They don't work out of the box? Bruh. Border width. What? Oh, for fuck's sake, that's why. I'm an idiot. Okay. Okay, this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Look how easy this is. Happy days. You know what? I have been streaming almost for 1 hour. I might take a 5 minute break. I cannot believe we got that working. Can we add? No, there's no HTML support. Dang it. There we go. We'll just do that. How big should we make the image? Goodbye. Thank you for dropping in. Thank you for the follow. If you did follow, if you didn't, no, thank you for not the follow. Where's Twitter? Also, we need to stop making this happen. I think it's like if you right click, yeah, that just gets broke. I think it just needs a fix. You know, see exactly this, exactly this, exactly this, this. No, where is it? Nope, there it is. Yeah, that too. True, true, true. Where is my profile? Where? There you go. We're actually still above 600 followers. We were trying to get 500 yesterday. We're just above 600 today, and we're sitting there, not dropping. Good. Okay. I'm kind of thinking that should have been a text area. Maybe, kind of, possibly, maybe, kind of, possibly. I don't know. But also, the fact that rap, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Dang it. Actually, I think if we take that off. Why is it still off by a bit? Because I thought it would be exactly that. Her. Okay. And where's the draw call? Yeah, because this is only drawing at the size of, what if we just go canvas? Again, I gotta work out a way to make draw automatically update. Okay, so that does the whole canvas, right? Hallelujah. Okay, that's what we want. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I don't want it to be just bound to whatever's there. We probably need to add something for text size, right? Yeah, let's just go font size. We really need a better way of passing these like things around because I needed to add these to like 20 different places. At least add them bottom up, so it's pretty easy to find out what's still needing to have them added. Do, 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 do. Where else is this missing from? Do, 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 do. Oh, it's needed in so many places. Okay. And then text render input. After this, we'll do font size. Oh no, slider. Yeah, we'll just use a slider for that. Probably the easiest way. Do, 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 do. Put that after text. Styling. Oh, perfect. Oh, that is insane how easy this is. After this, actually, where's that input box for that? Let's add some padding to that. Actually, let's like add like P1. Look, no. Yeah, that's better. I know, just sitting against that wasn't doing things. It was just no vibing with me. We should also add a color to the pattern. Although I kind of want, I kind of want people to be able to choose different colors for the different parts of the pattern. Like a different color for the dots and a different color for the grid, and also be able to change the size of the dots. Oh, buddy, this is going to take so much effort. There's so many different things I want to add to this. Well, we have text now. Should we maybe add a slider for the X and the Y? I want to be able to make it so you can just select it and move it like you can with the image. Maybe when you go to select, we see if the layer you're trying, if where your cursor is, if there is a canvas below it. If there's a canvas below it, then we try and move that canvas. Because at the moment, if I were to move, like, let's say, if I were to grab here, this would be like, okay, well, this is the only thing I can grab. But then if I were to grab here, this would be able to move this. Because at the moment, I can grab anywhere and it'll let me move it. I think that might be the best bet. The other thing I also was thinking of is mobile support, because, like, look how bad it is at the moment. We could also do UI. Maybe let's just add this. Because what do we mainly do? Just add text, right? Okay, so that'll be up. That'll be up on the actual site in just a hot sec. Yeah, I think maybe we'll just quickly clean the UI up a little. Let's add a button. Fucking style button. What the fuck you want about, cunt? Props, button, props. What is that? Intrinsic. What the hell is it called? Yeah, it's this one. That's it, HTML elements. That's what I was thinking of. Oh, hey, go. I'm actually streaming for once. Who'd have thunk? You ready to see some absolutely cursed thing that I built? So, I learned how Canvas works. And I learned how layers work and all that kind of shit now. So, like, we have this whole thing that I built. I think I did pretty well considering. Well, you know what? I didn't really understand how Canvas worked before. Oh yeah, worked at Canva. I also worked on Canvas when I worked on all the stuff before with the charts, but never actually thought to learn how it worked. I just kind of fucked around till it worked, and I was like, yay. But like, look at this. This is so cool. We have like layers and shit, and it's like super smooth and like this is just I can't believe we managed to get this working in like 2 or 3 days, whatever it was. Um, but yeah, you want to have a for those that are just chiming in wherever Firefox went. Oh, by Twitch. Whoops. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Wait, why is it telling me to be good in my own chat? Come on. Um, so the thing without the banding. So I don't understand why do people get the banding? Is this just like a skill issue? Because like I love that the image can be so tiny. Go over their image. Um, if I turn off the flare intensity, there we go. Like this is just HSL. Is this like meant to be complicated to do? And like I've looked at tons of tools. Browser running, canvas running. Oh really? Oh. Oh, I thought it was the fact that like oh no, yeah, because you're just using hex. Huh. That's interesting. Well, I mean, either way, yeah, like this is MIT licensed. I also built a thing to where is it? You might hate this, you might love this. Where is the hook? Use search params. This is an absolutely horribly trash version of it, but everything gets saved to the URL, so you can just refresh and like you lose your image, but other than that, so it means you can send people your presets, which is kind of cool. And there's no watermark or anything either. Oh, really? That's really interesting. Oh, yeah, this also works as a PWA, by the way. This doesn't need any server side or anything. The only thing that needs server side is this, is the fancy images. But it only needs them when they're first loaded. After that, they'll just run off cache. And if I refresh, we get a new set of them each time. Made a whole boatload of them. Transparent, I'm really happy with because this yeah lets you make transparent shit. What was I making? Oh, that's right. I was gonna try and make something that looks somewhat half decent. Um, I'm trying to think of where I had the components recently. I think Zap had decent components that I built. Zap. That's the wrong Zap. That's the local version. That should be. That's the server version. Yeah, these buttons here. Easy. Thank you for popping in. These buttons here, I think, would look quite nice in that UI. So I think that's. I'm gonna go steal them. Zap. Components. Button. Yeah, this one here. And a yoink. Do, 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 do. Thank you for the follow. Let's go and try and change some of these over. Yeah, we have buttons in a bunch of places. So the reason I like doing it this way, right? So we have a button here, yeah? We save that. What button is that we just replaced? Oh, that is one of those buttons. That is not one of the buttons we actually wanted to replace. That's one of the ones we wanted to leave. Okay, this one will work perfect. This one's an actual button we want to replace, whereas the other one was just an image. There we go. Okay, let's add something here. Gonna go replace the rest of these. The other thing is they probably also don't need class on them anymore, yeah. Oh, this is changing when it's active. Let's just leave that for now. That's fine. We'll fix that after. Yeah, see, these are nicer buttons. I don't want the rounded that or that on them. So we can probably just, since this is just a CN, we can probably do that. Yeah, that'll be better. And then this one will be image. And then we just have to change the actual colors that it's changing them to. This one's transparent. Why are they still getting big? Why are these ones still pretty large? Am I doing something wrong? Thank you for the follow. I need to set up my. Oh, I need to stretch. I need to set up all my announcements and everything. I don't think I have anything of anything set up for anything. I've just been so lazy with not streaming and all the rest that I've just kind of. Everything's caught up. I actually think I'm going to take a 5 minute break and stretch because holy crap, I just feel like my entire body is just made of knots now. I've been sitting here for way too fucking long. Why don't people like Nano? I like Nano. Oh, somebody created an image using my thing and then they deleted it. Bum. Okay, let's see how it is. Okay, everybody go take like a minute break, have a stretch, have some water, think thoughts. We will be back. 5 minutes. Okay, okay. I am back. Oh, that was you shoot name? I just saw it for like a second, clicked like on it, and then it just vanished. And I'm like, oh, okay. Blah. Uh, what do you guys think of the tool so far? Anything that you guys want added or anything like that? Thanks for the follow. Oh damn, I don't think I delete anything if anything I ever write. Like unless there's a very, very, very good reason or like a typo, and I like get through real quick and I repost it. Non-zero rounding to be default. Non-zero rounding. The fuck does that mean? I know that probably means something super basic, obvious that I'm not understanding. It was non-zero rounding. You mean like have it so the corners aren't rounded by default? Or are rounded by default? Alright, it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have them on or off by default. Like have it square or rounded by default. Nice, nice react, nice. Just crash the entire window. Okay then. Um, so you mean like by default have it there? That's like midway point. I don't know what is the default. Oh, default zero. You know what? That makes a ton of sense. Maybe we should have it at the midpoint. Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. Um, okay, you have a point. Um, da, 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 da. So what I'm hearing is it maybe it shouldn't be so sharp. What does it get set to? I love how this is just called screenshot tool. Um, Must be nice if the states could be named. Yeah, what's midpoint like 20? Yeah. Yeah, that looks better. Shadow size. Should we also set the shadow to like oh, I don't know, the shadow bleeds through the glass. Or actually, wait a minute. I think that shadow is in the wrong spot. Um, where's the draw? I think the shadow is being drawn in the wrong spot. The render pipeline. Where is the? It's like ctx.shadow, isn't it? Yeah. How the fuck do I use the center? Okay, I that's something I've been wondering about how to use the center as a reference point because canvases are all by top left. Like that their initial size point is from top left. So I think I'm gonna have to do like a bunch of extra math calculations to work that out or something. Like unless there's like a way you can move. If I can move the center point, then happy days. Um, I don't think you can. Yeah, yeah, you just have to do the 50-50 translate trick. Yeah, offset by 50%. But also you could just keep in mind, if you have the center button clicked once, it enables auto centering. I don't know if people realize this. I should probably change it to auto center or something. But you don't have to keep pressing it. You just press it once, and then you change it. I need to make shit more obvious, apparently. Let's see if that shadow is working correctly now. No, now the shadow doesn't work at all. Now we have no shadow. Okay, so there's definitely something going weird. Oh, you know what? It might be because the shadow is set. The shadow doesn't need to be set there. The shadow needs to be set, then drawn to, then unset. Yeah, now if I make that black, now it's not bleeding through the glass, which is what was happening before. Before, the shadow was bleeding in between the layers of the background and... Yeah, that's nicer. Gotta read the fucking manual. I don't want to read the fucking manual. Who the fuck reads the fucking manual? That means involving reading and the manual. I want to do that. Just want to fuck around and find out. So much easier. So much nicer. So much fucking, so much finding out. So much rounding. Also, uh, input, disable, remembering. How the fuck do you... Yeah. I just want to completely turn you off, please. Yes. Where are you? No, where are you? Text to render. Where the actual fuck? Yeah, here. Okay. Go away, bug. We'll set that here. Good. Just because I don't want random ass text that I'm typing that are constantly popping up. We might make that into just like dev mode or something. How is that not? What are you talking about? Oh, stupid. Okay. Okay, that's nice. And the flare works. The flare's almost like another shadow. I kind of like it because it works with like, yeah, the ones like this. It looks really nice. Where's random background? We have at least one button left. Where are you? You? Yeah. Where's that download canvas button? Button. Button. And we can also just remove all of that. The rest of these buttons. Oh yeah, you can also have the same treatment as that. But your color. Don't need you. It's so nice that you can just remove all this styling after it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, these are hilarious because these are now also buttons. Actually, I don't actually hate that. I do wish that they would use up the whole space though. Oh, is it because there's padding? Yeah. So what I think for these is we're gonna have a class name on them with just like no padding. Not 9 padding. We don't want to overdo it. Oh, that is so nice. Look how much nicer these look now. And they have a little ring around them when they're selected and all that as well. Perfect. Uh, why did it say the word image there? Oh, duh, 'cause okay. Um, I think I want to split up these sections in the sidebar and have like a HR between the different sections, maybe. I was thinking, what if we did HR is equal to it's between shadow and that. Did that even is it because did it do a fucking why do they keep doing that? Okay, I'm not hating that. Just want to see how this looks. Okay, I don't hate this at all. I quite like this to be honest. I quite like that. This is also not at all what this is. This is background type buttons. That random background button. I almost feel like that should actually just be uh random no refresh icon. Which like that can just live like well out here. Yeah, like all the way up here. Refresh icon. Please just give me an SVG that looks decent. Thank you. Please say it looks half decent. Nope. SVG refresh icon. SVG repo. Refresh. SVG to JSX. I may or may have not done this before. Cat downloads SVG. And then we just want this bit. And then which one is oh, you know what? I'm an actual idiot. That first one might have been fine. That is not the right size. Okay, okay. Let's try like 16 by 16. Yeah, that looks better. And then we'll just do class padding of 2. No. And add padding to oh, we're actually at where I was needing to refresh icon. Yeah, there. Yeah, we can add padding here. And we just need to add it to the Y, I think. Yeah, that looks nice. It's a nice little refresh button. Um, and I actually think we should probably... Does that look like a random button to you? Or does that look like a refresh button to you? Fuck. Oh well. Um, we're gonna put this... Oh no, wait. Yeah, the background types button. Here, and then a HR. Yeah. But I want that in line. Oh no, that's those. Oh, it's because they're all passed together like that. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna have to pass this. You'll just have to go here. And then I'm going to have to pass you in here instead. Yeah, that looks nicer, I think. It just breaks everything up so you can see what's what, you know? Let's not drag big ass image in. Oh yeah, I much prefer this. Maybe I'm going over the top by breaking it down into these sections like this, but I think I much prefer this. In transparent mode, we might gray that button out. Okay, that's spooky. Wait. Why did you do that? Okay. Um. Okay. Why is that not disabling in transparent mode? And in transparent mode, we also... We also don't need this in transparent mode. Oh, this UI looks so much nicer now, I think. And then we still have that, which maybe we just don't have any styling when it gets disabled. No, we don't. We don't have any styling when it gets disabled. Yeah, let's do that. Why did that? Oh. It also shouldn't be able to scale at all. Oh, that is so nice. Because look, these you can click. And it's just going to let you switch between them nicely. And then you can refresh. Click on transparent. Nope. Oh, I love this UI compared to the old UI. So much nicer. I also think... I might be wrong, but I think this UI is actually fairly, like, compliant. Yeah, because like I can go, yeah, I think this is actually pretty compliant to be honest. I can control all of this via my keyboard. The only thing I can't control is where this is. And I'm kind of thinking of adding a position slider for up and down for that. Also, I half want to put something that like makes it so the image only shows maybe one row of these and then a button that uncollapses it and shows the rest. Okay, let's just push all these changes up so far. So what was this? Mainly just better stylings. Yeah, let's make sure this works properly. And then it deploys and all that. the bloody traffic. Oh, what's Cloudflare saying? Yeah, I might need to start caching. Whoops. That'll be fine. Come on. Deploy. If anybody's watching that hasn't followed, please hit that follow button. I'm likely going to be streaming tomorrow. And if you hit the follow button, then you'll know when I stream next. If I ever stream again. Because that's the other thing, I keep forgetting to stream, so... my bad. And I lost another follow. I lost 2 followers. What is going on? I was doing so well. We're on 600 on Twitter. And, well, we're on 602, and now we're back on 600. God dang it. It's taking so long to build on Railway today. I love that everything built statically. Booyah. Come on. Come on. Publish. I feel like Railway's like, oh yeah, it takes no time at all to publish your stuff. But also, takes forever. I think I just get so used to how quick it is when it takes more than a few seconds. I'm like, God damn it, this is forever. It's also a really big image. I don't know why it's pushing 400 megs. Shouldn't even be close to that. Are we allowed to run ads? Can I run ads just for a minute? I'm gonna run ads for just a minute, people. Let's run ads for a minute. Okay, once everybody's back from the ad, then I'll show the new version of the site. Hopefully it's all working. Almost done. 15 seconds of ads left. I feel like it's like the longest minute I've ever waited. Okay. People should be back from ads now. Let's refresh. Oh, this is so much nicer looking. Okay, I think we might need some padding and stuff on these, but like this is looking better, I think. You know, I'm really liking this. This entire vibe is just so happy with this UI. Oh, I also need to make the grids and the dot like configurable. But I think it's gonna be a bit harder. Well, people, it's been great. Thanks for watching. Please follow if you have not. My Twitter is actually this might be banned. This is my banned account. Ignore this one. My Twitter is my Twitter is here. The exact same username is on here. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. If you haven't used Studio, go use Studio and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.